When purification of oil cannot achieve the required results, the oil must be changed, since using such oil causes transformer failure. We offer our clients equipment designed for extension of transformer service life by restoration of dielectric strength and chemical composition of electrical insulation oil. In the process of oil regeneration, decomposition products and acidic compounds are removed, the oil is clarified, its oxidation stability is improved, and gas solvency is reduced. The unique feature of the CMM-R units is the ability to regenerate transformer oil directly in a transformer, with the transformer either online or offline. Such regeneration of oil is capable of removing sludge from paper insulation and capturing it with the sorbent. One of the advantages of the regeneration unit is the use of Fuller's Earth sorbent, which can be reactivated many times. This gives the unit the capability to process oil continuously without stops to change saturated sorbent. Even after the sorbent is completely exhausted after 1.5 to 2 years of use, it is completely environmentally safe and can be used as a filler for construction materials and mixes. The CMM-12R unit is controlled by a computer with special SCADA software. The SCADA control system offers the operator full control of all components. The operator can control the equipment, switch to various modes of operation, monitor sensor indications, and access event log. As requested by clients, the CMM-12R unit can be controlled remotely via the internet. If GlobeCore assistance is required, we can simply connect to the unit through the internet and monitor the entire operation process. If there is a problem, we will see it. Many of our clients purchase equipment for operation in unstable climates, explosive environments, and even at sea. The CMM-R units can be manufactured in various optional designs. The most popular and convenient design is placement of the unit on a 1 or 2 axle trailer. This trailer has a metal frame covered with metal sheets and is equipped with an operator room.